Is it your first time here in the East Coast state of New York and you're looking out for some fun and the euphoria this state offers? You can't go wrong with this topic, the 7 awesome places of visits in New York that will leave you amazed. Welcome to this channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the like button and notification bell to stay tuned to the value I'll be sharing with you on this platform. Right into the video. First on the list I have the Edge Observation Deck. Are you a traveler seeking high altitude observation points? Maybe you're a thrill seeker craving an experienced journey into the sky. If so, the Edge at Hudson Yards is a must for your bucket list. The building's outdoor terrace takes you 65 feet into the sky, making it the highest public balcony in New York City. The Edge boasts fresh, unique views from the vantage point of Hudson Yards on the far western edge of Manhattan. You'll begin your adventure with an immersive multimedia experience before taking the 52-second elevator ride to the 100th floor to the Edge. Also, as one would imagine, the sunset views are very spectacular here at the Edge Observation Deck. Next on my list, I have the Little Island. New York City's hottest new attraction, the park is filled with open lawns, colorful shrubs and trees, and the secret garden. The park amphitheaters offer a spectacular view of the Hudson River, with a majority of events being free from throughout the summer. Catch up with savory talks and performances, a free dialogue around food, sustainability, and industry trends, Monday nights at 6 p.m. It's a mirage of an island floating above the Hudson River with eccentric, over-the-top fun. Next, I have the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty has been recognized across the world as the beacon of freedom and one of the world's recognized attractions. It stands 111 feet, 34 meters tall, and reaches 305 feet, 93 meters if you include her pedestal and torch. That's the equivalent height of a 22-story building. For tourists visiting the Statue of Liberty, climbing up her interior all the way up to her crown, which has 25 windows overlooking New York City and the harbor. The current torch includes a copper flame covered in 24-karat gold. It reflects the sun rays during the day, but it's lit up at night. Also see the Statue of Liberty Museum. It's a freestanding museum with 3 gallery spaces and an immersive theater, an engagement gallery, and an inspirational gallery. It's also home to the Statue of Liberty's original torch. Next on my list, I have the Vessel. A 16-story high honeycomb sculpture of stairways called the Vessel. The vessel is only 50 feet in diameter at its base, and it widens to 150 feet at its 6-story peak. It appears to be mostly staircases. It's actually fully accessible for the differently abled. The structures act more as a functional sculpture than any traditional design that you may see scattered across the alluring city of dreams. Next, I have the Whitney Museum of American Art. This place is the most inspiring art museum in the city of New York. Its expanded gallery space and collection of 21,000 works, or its $422 million digs at the southern base of the High Line in the Natty Meatpacking District. Piano's building has 50,000 square feet of interior exhibition space and 13,000 feet of outdoor exhibition space. The terrace has views of the High Line, the Manhattan skyline, and the Hudson River. A perfect place to enjoy a beautiful day. Next on my list is the Apollo Theater. Located in Harlem, this institution has been the site of more than a few historic moments. With a capacity of 1,506, this institution backs stories of rising fame and has a pretty immersive tale of its own. American pop star Michael Jackson played a free concert where he performed songs from his 8th studio album Dangerous before his demise in 2009. The Apollo welcomes patrons to borrow their space for weddings, graduations, fashion shows, photo shoots, and more. Next on my list is the all recognized Times Square in New York. The most visited tourist attraction in the world, visited by 40 million people each year. It holds the New Year's Eve ball and the wall of billboards that generates over $23 million per year. A central area where people from all over come to eat, shop, be entertained, and to be noticed. Home to a unique sound of art installation, the sound constantly emanates from the subway grids. Times Square can be seen from space due to the wide array of bright lights in this area. Such a wonderful place to visit. Thank you guys for actually spending time to listen to this piece of information I have shared with you. Hope you enjoyed every bit of it as you look forward to involve these places in your vacation itinerary. Take time to subscribe to this channel as I keep bringing you quality information and value for your next vacation trip all over the world. Don't forget to leave a comment down the comment section, to like and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you once again. See you next time and bye for now.